YouTube. Latest purchase. This is a $500 F150. 1992. Didn't come with that light. I found that at the junkyard. But for 500 bucks, I got a good deal. She is a little rusty in normal spots, the wheel wells. But she got a nice factory Ford bed liner. Things I've done to it. You okay, John?
Yeah, I just gotta get off my feet. I'm sorry, man.
All good. So, picked her up like this, and the only...
I'll see you this weekend.
Yep, I'll see you this weekend.
Yeah, all right, I will.
Guy who just picked up his new Mustang. Oh, sorry, new F150. But, yep. For 500 bucks, I got a good deal. And I passed on to my buddy here, who was fighting cancer, and I traded him for an old Mustang GT350, which he had sitting in a barn. It's pretty much a barn find. The thing hasn't run in years, so. This F-150, though, runs like a top. I just drove it for about an hour. All I've done to it, this mirror, and junkyard radio. Oh, and speakers. All four were taken out by the old owner. I mounted them properly. I just slapped them in there. But she's a manual, and she is the most basic bitch I have ever seen. She does have one unique feature to her. The door is a little finicky sometimes. But yeah, manual windows, smoker's window, which I love. And take her out of gear. Big old bug in here somewhere. But yeah, no AC. Again, this is a 1992 model. And for her engine, she's got a ultra reliable inline 6 306 fuel injected. Man, she's doing all right. All the things she has broken on her right here is this hoser here, and her radiator's seen better days. So we'll be working on that. My buddy's just taking off. But she is a great running truck. She is a little squeaky sometimes, but hell, let me show you how she turns over. Oh yeah, mileage. 183. Big ass bug. Gross. Yeah, that's how you start. This button here starts it, and squeaky. Not sure which one it is, but hell. Smooth running. Once she gets warmed up, that belt goes away. That squeak goes away. She's a good truck, though. But yeah. $500. This will be a quick video, by the way. Oh, you turn her off. All of her lights work. No, I don't think you really care about that. But yeah, $500 F-150. And all I need to put on her was speakers, radio, and a mirror. Hope you enjoyed this quick little video. Have a nice day.